Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Corpus luteum functions maximally without an implantation for 9 days. It can function maximally without implantation. Without an implantation. Maximum function of corpus luteum occurs. Maximum function of corpus luteum occurs at 8 to 9 days after ovulation. Maximum function of corpus luteum occurs at 8 to 9 days after ovulation. Or on day 22 of menstrual cycle, there is maximum function of corpus luteum. There is maximum production of progesterone is also on day 22 of menstrual cycle. Then, in a study which is observed that the right ovary ovulates more than the left. All the possible explanations for the cause is right ovary ovulates more than the left. One, anatomical symmetry. Yes, it is present. Anatomical asymmetry. Anatomical asymmetry may be a cause. Difference in blood supply on both the sides. True. Right-handed person is not true. Some embryological basis may be there. This right-handed person is more common in population, is not a true association.
Thank you and thank you for watching.